Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change font size on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change font size on Windows 11 computer, click on Start menu, click on Settings, now click on System and then scroll down. Now click on Display. Here in Display you will find an option Scale. Change the size of text, apps and other items. And 100% is recommended. You will find a drop down menu here. Click on the drop down menu and you can change only 125% here. Just click on 125% and look, the font size has been changed. If you want to go back to 100%, click on drop down again and you will find 100% and it's recommended. This is the way to change font size in Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.